Margaret Gary, Alex, big performance, 4 tries. Doesn't happen very often. He must have really enjoyed it.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, obvious to say is the boys did the hard work, and I just stayed on my wing and ran into the corner, so I'm happy to finish off with the boys.
I suppose some of them were from set piece. A lot of work goes into that. Some really crisp passing to get you that space out wide. You must work a lot on that.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, we knew what we were doing going into the week after going through the game after they played at Ulster last week. They were a lot better than we actually thought. And it was nice, like I said, to just finish off some of the tries we looked at through the week.
Was that difficult? Obviously, you know a lot about Benetton, you know a lot about Ospreys next week, but a team like this, how do you prepare for them?
We looked at the Currie Cup games. I think they had about 4 or 5 games coming over here, so we were debriefed on that during the coaches. Obviously, the boys are from the Cheetahs, so it was quite personal for them guys, and I'm sure they'll be chuffed. I'll speak to them after the game now. I'm sure they'll be chuffed with the scoreboard.
Well, listen, not a lot of guys score 4 tries in the game. Big performance out of you. Well done. You are the Guinness man of the match. Here to present your award is Brendan Ryan Guinness.